From the milk of which animal? Correct answer is option D, cow's milk. The Kalahari Desert is located in which continent? Correct answer is option A, Africa. Which is the longest river in Asia continent? Correct answer is option D, Yangtze River. What is the scientific study of birds known as? Correct answer is option B, ornithology. How far can owl rotate its head? Correct answer is option A, 270 degree. Which animal never makes any sound? Correct answer is option B, giraffe. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Correct answer is option D, Superior Lake. Giraffe is the national animal of which country? Correct answer is option D, Tanzania. Which animal has purple color tongue? Correct answer is option D, giraffe. Which planet do not have any moons? Correct answer is option C, Mercury and Venus. Which animal milk does not turn into curd? Correct answer is option B, camel. Which white desert is situated in which state of India? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Which planet takes the largest time to go once around sun? Correct answer is option D, Neptune. How many kilometers away can we hear the lion's roar? Correct answer is option A, 8 kilometer. Which animal's teeth never stop growing? Correct answer is option A, rat. Which color cannot be seen by a snake? Correct answer is option D, red. Which was the first animal to be sent in space? Correct answer is option C, dog. Which of the following creature can sense the coming of a storm or earthquake? Correct answer is option B, fish. Which bird egg is most expensive in the world? Correct answer is option C, ostrich. Which is the most poisonous fish in the world? Correct answer is option C, stonefish. Which country has the world's largest fishing industry? Correct answer is option B, China. Which is the largest animal in the world? Correct. Please comment the correct answer.